Hi guys, today's video magsisimba pala ako ngayon guys sa Murakami Church. Tara, let's go. At nandito na pala kami sa Murakami Church guys. At my birthday pala guys, sila Jay, Ate Blisa, Ate Salvi, Ate Rose, Ate Lynn, at di ko yung kilala yung isa. So pagkatapos lang kantahan guys, nagpa-picture muna sila guys. At kakanta pala sila Juna at Jane. At di ko yung kilala yung isa. Yung drummer si Jay, Inambre, yung pianist si Mikey, yung guitarist si Iel, kasama niyang guitarist yung Japanese, yung second boy si Atikat. At natapos na sila mag-perform guys. Pipicturean muna namin yung nagbe-birthday guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Okay, kainan na. Daming handa guys. Ito lang ang kinuha ko guys. Sobrang daming ulam guys. So yun nga guys, tapos na kaming kumain guys. Pauwi na nga kami guys. At dumaan pala kami sa tunnel guys. Napakaganda ng tunnel nila guys. May ilaw pa guys. Napakaganda talaga ng view ng Japan guys. Grabe yung isang bukid na yun oh. Napuno ng snow. Sobrang kapal. Maganda siguro dyan mag-ski. Hanggang dito na lang yung video ko guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.